Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to write the name of the pictures. The first picture is apple. In the middle of the line we will write A like this, and we will write P. Then with the help of this joining line we will write again P, and then touch the top line and make a small cursive E. This is apple. This is apple. The next letter is ball. We will start line from this line, make a loop, go down, touch to the cross line, make a small loop, and this line make a small B like this with the connecting line, this tail, go up, touch line, skyline, and make L. Again do this. This is ball. Ball. The another picture is duck. Touch to the top line, skyline, and now go to the grass line, make a hump, and make this tail and connect this to U. Then C. Then K. This is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. The other picture is fish. We will start right F and like this. This is F. This connecting tail. Connect this to I, then S, then H. All these lines, all these words are connected with the tail. The last picture is clock. Start with C. Connect C with L. Connect L with O. Then C again with K. See? Keep practicing, and your writing will become beautiful and smooth. Okay, end of the lesson.